matrices and systems of linear equations. Okay, so this is my 10th video on this chapter, and in this video our learning outcome is to compute the inverse of a non-singular matrix using property of matrices. We have done one example on this learning outcome, so today will be another example on the same learning outcome. So the next example will be example 16. Okay, now look at example 16. Given matrix A and B, it is known that AB equals to Ki, where K is a constant and I is an 3 times 3 matrix. Find K and hence deduce A inverse. Okay, so first we're gonna answer find K. So to find K, we are going to use AB equals to Ki. Okay, students, so given AB equals to Ki. Okay, so what is the meaning of AB? AB is matrix A multiply B. So we're gonna copy matrix A 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 7. Okay, so we're gonna copy matrix A multiply with matrix B 1, 1, negative 1, negative 10, 4, 2, 7, negative 3, negative 1. Okay, so multiplication. Okay, so we're going to take row, multiply the column. Okay, so when you multiply row with the column, the first element that you're going to get is 2 followed by 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Okay, so now we have to write this in the form of Ki. That means 2 multiply with 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, students, so we get here AB equals to 2i. Okay, so if AB is Ki, then K is 2. Okay, so we have answered the first part. Now second, hence deduce A inverse. So this is very important keyword. Hence deduce means we do not have to find A inverse. Okay, we just have to deduce from the given information or from the previous information. So our previous information is AB equals to Ki and K is 2i. So we always start with the previous information for questions involving hence or deduce. Okay, now we would like to find A inverse. So if we want to find A inverse, we are going to introduce A inverse on both sides. Okay, so A inverse AB equals to 2A inverse I. So be very careful, student. When you introduce your A inverse on your left hand side, on your right hand side, the A inverse also must be on the left of the identity matrix. So we already learned the property A inverse times A is identity. A inverse times identity is A inverse. So we want to find A inverse. Okay, identity times B will give us B, and 2 becomes 1 over 2. So this is the meaning of deduce. We do not find, we just deduce from the given information. So since A inverse is 1 over 2B, okay, so we still have to write down the final answer. So 1 over 2B, B is 1, 1, negative 1, negative 10, 4, 2, 7, negative 3, negative 1. Okay, so this is B. Okay, now we cannot leave our answer like this. Okay, we still have one operation not settled. We still have to multiply 1 over 2. So what are we going to get here? 1 over 2, 1 over 2 and negative 1 over 2. Okay, next negative 5, 2, 1 followed by 7 over 2, negative 3 over 2 and negative 1 over 2. So this is A inverse. Okay students, so I hope you can understand this question. Okay, now make sure to do the given exercises at the end of this handout. Okay, for this example, the more exercise you do, the better understanding you will have on this subtopic. Okay, so that's all for my video. We will be doing example 17 on my